All right, just a brief reminder for this project. You need to create a city where the school and the hospital and the gas station and the park and all the different things that it tells you to draw are in the locations where the numbers are on this representation. So remember, alternate exterior angles are outside of the parallel lines, but on opposite sides of the transversal. So those in burgundy would be alternate exterior angles. But if you're looking at alternate interior angles, those would still be on opposite sides of the transversal, but inside the parallel lines, like I just circled in purple. The other thing that it's going to ask you to do is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles would be in the same position on each of the parallel lines on the same side of the transversal. So like 2 and 6 that I just boxed in pink. So please make sure that when you draw your parallel lines that you have space to put a building in each one of the corners that is labeled by a number here. You can use these examples, go back in your notes, look at everything you have to make sure you draw these in the right places. Remember, this is a test grade, so you do want to make sure you pay attention to where everything is located. You can color it and decorate it as much as you want, but the big thing here is to make sure that your buildings are in the right spots. Please make sure you look over this. If you need anything, I will have office hours on Tuesday. Have a good holiday, guys.